Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I accomplished doing my box braids. I used the pre-layered RUWA expressions hair. My client decided to play with the brown family, which is so cute to me. Here are just a few products that I use for my braids. I use the Tropical Roots foam. I also use the yellow shining gem and just any type of oil sheen. Now I am separating the hair into smaller pieces onto this rack. It's actually a threading rack. It's used for sewing, but I decided to use it as my braiding rack. So I'm separating these smaller pieces so that I can do my underbraid. After I do my underbraid, I go over it with the amount of hair that's necessary for the size that I'm trying to accomplish. In this video, I am doing medium-sized box braids. So after I separate a good amount of smaller pieces, I will go back and separate the pieces for the overbraid. So now you guys, I'm separating the hair for the overbraid. My client wanted medium-sized braids, so I'm taking the amount that I think would accomplish the look. So also you can tell that I am mixing up different colors. So with this rack, it's very helpful, but when it comes down to mixing up colors, you want to be very careful so you don't mix up anything or tangle up your hair. But yeah. Now I'm taking the other piece of hair and I am going over it, over the little braid that we've already created here. And I do this to the hair just so I can save hair. You know, I'm not using too much hair this way. And she wanted it longer, so that's why I kind of did that to the hair. This is one of my favorite techniques. I've already done all of the boxes, so the only thing I have to do is go over it with the overbraid.